Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So as I've said in the previous video that I will give you a little glimpse of my house and that I will give in a few minutes. But before that I thought I'll give a quick background of what's happening in this video. So it's been a few weeks since we have moved in this house and finally we can say that we are at good place furniture wise. When we moved into the house it was completely empty, like there was nothing in the house. You will see that in the video. So now that we have settled in, it's really nice to see like how slowly things have started to come in and we are at good state right now. It was a really long process, but I'm glad where we are right now, and it's still 70-80% furnished, but yeah, we can say that we are settled in right now. Also, I wanted to give few tips to all those people who are planning to move to Singapore or are already in the process of moving to Singapore. That I will give in the end of the video, so make sure you're staying tuned till the end of the video. And now let's not waste any more time and let's start the video. Go to the balcony. Now this is bedroom number 2. The good part is every room has this huge balcony.
A few moments later.
To the bedroom number 3. Ta-da! Again, huge almirah space. And balcony. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So we are in our new house today. Yay! We are moving in. So yeah, we are moving in today and we're technically not going to sleep tonight here because there's no mattress, there's no bed. We're just moving our stuff from our hotel and bringing it over here. Also tomorrow is our last day in the hotel and hopefully the mattress and all will come tomorrow. So yeah, that's the update as of now and I'm super duper excited. I'm just moving in stuff. We are setting up the kitchen right now, the mandir and everything that we have got from India. So yeah, let's start doing that. Hello, mommy. Hello. Monday setup going on here. Yes.
So mommy has made halwa. मम्मा बड़ा अच्छा दिख रहा है तो.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is day 2 of moving in and we are done with the puja, as you can see. And right now the plan is that I have to unload all this stuff because abhi the IKEA guy is coming with all the stuff. यहाँ पे mattress बचती है, उससे पहले मुझे सारा clean करना है. Okay जी, so let's attack this bag first. One bag is done and now I'm going to have the other one, maybe the bigger one because it's another company. So yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, so it's evening now and आज मैंने काफ़ी सारा stuff unload किया है. Like मेरा आज 90% of the stuff तो unload हो गया है. And meanwhile जब मैं unpack कर रही थी तो हमारा mattress भी आ गया ये. So yeah, mattress आ गया. IKEA का काफ़ी सारा stuff आ गया आज. हमारी chairs भी आ गई and cushions and फिर एक दो चीज़ें और आ गई हैं. But now the plan is that we are going to Mustafa because अब जैसे जैसे हम काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे तो हमें रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ही नहीं यहाँ पे. फॉर एग्जांपल बास्केट्स, मैट्स, मतलब हम बाहर से कहीं भी आ रहे हैं तो घर पूरा गंदा हो रहा है बिकॉज मैट्स ही नहीं है. एंड ऐसी काफ़ी लंबी लिस्ट है जो अभी हमें लग रहा है कि रिक्वायर्ड है अर्जेंटली. सो हम मुस्तफ़ा जा रहे हैं एंड विल शॉप देयर. सो या लेट्स गो. Okay, so for everybody who don't know, Mustafa is a shop here in Singapore जहाँ पे you'll get it's a one stop shop basically. आप उस बिल्डिंग में जाओ एंड वहाँ पे आपको मल्टीपल चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी एंड बहुत रीजनेबल प्राइस में मिल जाएगी. लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से लेके हाउस होल्ड आइटम तक, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों तक सब चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी वहाँ पे. सो वी आर गोइंग देयर एंड वी विल शॉप. Stuff from Mustafa. Viper. Hello. So it's the next day. Yesterday we went to Mustafa and we bought a lot of household stuffs like doormat, what else? Chairs, boxes, containers, tokeries, and muggas, baltis, so stuff like that, all those household stuff. And today our beds are coming, so yeah. So yeah, we have been sleeping on mattresses till now and today the bed will come. So that's the last order from IKEA as of now. We are planning to go to IKEA this week. Yeah, we'll figure out, we'll buy more stuff from IKEA then because we're just figuring out how's the stuff from IKEA, how's the quality from IKEA. So we are liking it till now, but yeah, now we'll buy more. Alright, the IKEA guys are here finally. And we have two beds. One is setting up in my room and the other one is setting up in the bedroom too basically. So that was it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, like we are not 100% furnished. We are still in the process of buying new furniture, and I will show you more of that in other videos once I can say like we are 100% done. Now let's get to the tips part that I wanted to share. So number one tip that I want to share is for all those people who are hunting house in Singapore or looking to rent a new house in Singapore. So for those people, you know, Property Guru is your best friend. The app is pretty simple. It's for all those people who are planning to buy a house in Singapore or planning to rent a house in Singapore. The UI is pretty simple. You can filter out in many different ways, like by locality, by distance wise, or the price that you're willing to pay. So it's that easy. Also, you'll get variety of options over here. Like we have explored other apps as well, and it has not been great for us. So this property as well as we have selected via Property Guru. So yeah, that's the tip number 1. Tip number 2. So everybody know about IKEA, and like I also knew about IKEA, but I stayed in Delhi. So I have never visited IKEA, and I didn't know like why IKEA is so famous. But once I visited it, oh my god, the prices are crazy. Like you will not get such deals anywhere else in Singapore. We have visited old markets, new markets, all the furniture shops in Singapore, but the deals that we got in IKEA are insane. Like, so all the furniture that we are buying from for our house is from IKEA. So tip number 2 is don't waste your time anywhere else. Go to IKEA, shop your furniture from IKEA. Number 3 is alternative for Mustafa. So Mustafa, as you know, is this place where you can buy small stuff from. So lately I realized that Mustafa is really expensive for these little items. So I found these places called Daiso, Mr. DIY and Japan Home. So you can buy little stuff like containers, chuchuri basket, and a lot of these items which are much expensive in Mustafa, and you'll get this items very easily and in very less price in these places. So yeah, these are 2 or 3 different shops that you can go to, which are alternatives of Mustafa. Alright, so that was all the tips that I had to give for all those people who are planning to move to Singapore or are in the process of moving to Singapore. These tips would have been really helpful for me if I had known these places earlier. So yeah, that was it. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.